Kwasiada awia onyame ede yankwa ache yatumi akode na ase akosom na nso na wotwetwa mu ntene na ka mempesa me kwa asore ebi se akenkan sem bi ma me hunu se me kwa asore kwasiada na Roma for hye na media che ni twere mponya kropo na me som ne se kwasiada asore no enya de se ewo chitai bia ewotwe kronkronim ye unse Bible kasem bi o se many are called but few are chosen.
I feel what you say.
Kwasiada so ye omu bio. Ni paro do na o de kwa so kwasiada ye kakra bi na kwa me nda. Me na fo mo nyire mo ho ai. Okay. Ana nyame adom ofa. Poku dankwa ne na kudin komo kakra. Meka o say juma de friends wake up Africa no ha ne asa so aduru so ebiem no na ofa poku dankwa e krado ha na ofa Israel so e krado ha ne so ye de enkontwetwe brem na otwetwe mu ne ma munya ne ntese mark of the beast ne beto aso de amamo eno nti ene yasa so ahia bi ma ye beto aso na ye de amamo na ene ye hwe enyema esiesie kwan na prepare kwan no e de ama eye the mark of the beast 666 no enema be na ekoso ewia se be mi hunu se ampa ebre na no ana aso no eno nti nipa da sane bia no e wo se utumi eda ho so Israel kuti isi ai pa me kwa so da be
bedu humeda onyakopo se yemfa home say hen yenkwa so de bia o ye researchers from Jerusalem bedu humeda onyakopo se yemfa nya adwuma take rest because ko so yakopo asamoa in school akope when da so de bi akotenam na yakopo asoma afro mo so de mo no ma kire wo de yakopo pesa wo ye ne se wo ye Sunday there at the first of the week oko Israel Sunday Yom Rishon any daddy kind so is Hebrew for can know Yom Rishon it's Sunday Sunday SUN Ariada Hebrew for say Yom Rishon they say eda edikan a working day gidi pa obi ko pesika mo edu Friday nyumira na ye bro shofa na ntwa ben na ayese no na say memenda no ebe banti no bia na NCC no edu homeda no work in the Holy Land
medase ava tize man kwa so re memenda ram kwa Kwasiada menya hype na ko
cha wani da so ene wa hu de o ya e do beko na so ka se o beko hon ma say why you prepared to take the responsibilities of and as the consequences of your own action
asofo no mo a mo se mo de mo ya asofo akese no se de na efrem no so re bi mo a mo asofo okay ma me boboji me true challenge to me body
true
asofo dum bi te say Mensa Utabel asofo dum bi te say Archbishop Duncan Williams asofo dum te say Dark Hayward Mills asofo binum te say Francis Kwaten asofo binum asofo no krabe film din sisi ayo mo do so pa mo amunim ho munyina asamo mpanfo e kan metro challenge ama mo mra na mo yim ho ano all platform we so yesi Kwasiada som no e Roma fo hye enti se mo se mo Bible scholars mo ma teachings e ma prophecies ene ne keka ho de a mo mra na mo prove ma ye de enti a e wo se ye kwa asori Kwasiada a ye de no ana nyame pe na emum no nye Roma fo hye ni di so ana challenge no musuru
oh yo
musuru Israel for
kan kwa nke na nkonkomo ha
for
e pe ne kro
asafu pani Mensa Utabel Archbishop Duncan Williams Dark Hayward Mills Lawrence Tete Prophet the crowd film twema apia Body of Christ so for afia so for akese a mo akanye ni nyina momra Reverend Usubempa Matu Ashimolowu Temenka Nigeria bra Pastor Chris munyina momra TB Joshua Prophet One Ebenezer obi ni munyina momra se Kwasiada som no ena ye a wose asoma momra na makire ye omo de o maka watumi da kiresie se enye ene ye to aso mark of the beast part 2 preparation towards that eno ne be hwini ma e prapra kwamu se de Yesu Kristo be ba John the Baptist ko biesi kwamu ma no no eno ene ba be me sama makwa ba biem
anya
me yes sensi mi nkuma na nsi mi fa na me fa right yakwa akoje eye krato kakra hade ba yetwa ho ekobusi kwesiri ne me ko sabre de yesa ko ofa ho bi ofa na otwetwa mu chichiri mam emi ehu ye ba bia sa ntokase mu nyina hyase afriaba eye sonsone wo papa ene bonimu ɛyɛ ɔtan yɛ da hɔ ɛde aprapra bɛka baabi a mo de bɛduru mi hu sɛ Kristo som no anaasɛ homeda no nyɛ Kwesi Ada ne mo memenda na ne abota nyina nse yɛhwɛ the mark of the beast na kofa sancheche mu nyina baayɛ nti enne yɛbɛhwɛ nneɛma a gu akwan mu a esiesie kwan ɛde ama the mark of the beast
yo ahwɛfo nyina yɛkyia mo na ene no yɛbɛfɛ free say one yɛhwɛ the socio-political, economic, ecclesiastical and bibia system na ekoso ewiase na ene ewiase nyina yetu edi western institution echi
okay
enti eno no na aba behye ahyesode a ebetu akwan say the mark of the beast if you say western institution no promote the revelation image edi nipa na ebesiwo na atu nyankopon agbe emfa bibi to democracy
me ba wo beto aso na yɛhwɛ ade sa revelation na nkasa na da hɔ na nka ye nyame na hyehyɛ yɛ ni ma bɛkɔ ana bonsam ɛfa ana sɛ nyame ne hyehyɛ no hyehyɛ de to hɔ sɛ enipa na ba bɛfa no sa kwan so
o hyehyɛ to sɛ sɛ be nkom hye ne daakye asɛm na aka sɛ mire bi bɛba enipa tumi no ɔbɛpagya ne mu aka sɛ ɔne nyankopɔn di besiesi ade yɛkɔ Isaiah yɛka sɛ Revelation 12:9 there was war in heaven and Satan was cast down on earth. Yes, I can. And what bad say I answer for Muni na say ni say. And no to me no there or pray ediako. And then no you institutionalizing to where the socio-economic, political and ecclesiastical system no we are say no. Ya model in such a way say a promote enema ebeti nyankopon. Na me di kan democracy ya kan ho asem ho han moda. Ewe democracy etie nyankopon pa nyankopon achiwade na democracy promote ebia ne se last week e ba ya ye behu se Kwesi Ada som ene ho nsunsuanso ne niema nyina enso ini ba bia efiri a eba economic system capitalism ene ho ahwan survival of the fittest entini bibia ne ho a pagya enipa so ho se enini ya model ni nyina na me come asem so no owura bi ne friend George Orwell otro book bi ne friend 1984 book no title no ana no otire say 1984 na ewiase abedani police state na enipa no a oye opani wo ho no the friend Big Brother and say mo hwe Big Brother Africa ni sa ne manema no a ye hwe sa program na ye hu say obi ani bi hwe wo mo efie ho no a mo nyina no e dey prepare wadwene ye prepare we say bibi say beba wiase enti wo hwe program ne say bia wo hwe because obi kwa akokisi obi anaso obi kwa akoye obi wo mu a je say onim so obi hwe no wo dey prepare wadwene say bi beba na book no mu no ekoba say Big Brother obi adwin bia odwin bia no onim dey odwin ti wo ye nipa na aka say o dey wo mpene onwini say ni obi adwin no a o ha ne aba befo afrifi na nipa no na o ye the main character in the book ne friend Winston Smith ono o ye say obenya ni
Adafie mamu nyina kwaba eba Axe Media ebuta nyina ne se radio presenting and apesa wo ye television presenting and apesa wo ye so pesa wo ye star pesa wo ye actor and after actress ni nyina bra ni ewie na wo pe se wo begina afidie etwa mi openi bi le gina chie eni ye chinchin ye wie so adwuma yi obi na edite ye fe ne editor wono so opesa wo ye bia e boso me miensa ye be kirewo ama wo so anya wonsa no adwuma emfa ho se wa ye o masters emfa ho so ye o PhD emfa ho so ye o first degree emfa ho so ko osu apon emfa ho se npo onko ba bia na wo pesa obeye bia ko accredited school ni wie na bra Axe Media people am practicals na wo de keka ho a the certificate won sampa edu.
I'll teach you more about structure in the London Academy of Media and Film TV courses that we do. And how you can put together your own ideas and make them from a kind of ethereal mess in your mind to something that's focused and can actually be produced for broadcast.
Yeah, I want to share so what's the facility available? My wow, free and the bench Axe Media, Pizza, Keke, yeah, the Bema.
Kwesi Ada awia onyame ede yankwa ache yetumi akode na ase akosom na so na wotwetwa mu ntenne na nka mempesa na kwa asore ebi se akenkan sem bi ma mehunu se se mekọ asore Kwesi Ada na Roman forces say na media che me twere mponya kropo na me so me se kwasi ada sori no enya de se ewo chitai bia ewo twere kronkron nim ye unse Bible casting bi o say many are called but few are chosen
sa afi o ti ase
kwasi ada sori yo mu bi o ni paro do na o de kwa sori kwasi ada ye kakra bi na come me na for mo nyire mo ho ai okay ene nyame adom ofa poku dankwa ne na kudin komo kakra meka o say jwa de friend say wake up Africa no ha ne asa so adru so ebiem no na fa poku dankwa e krado ha na fa Israel so e krado ha ne so ye de enko twetwe brem na twetwe mu ne ma munya ne tese mark of the beast ne beto aso de amamo eno nti ene ya so ahia bi ma ye beto aso na ye de amamo na ene ne ye hwe eniema esiesie kwan na prepare kwan no ede ama eye the mark of the beast 666 no eniema be na ekoso ewi ase be miehunu se ampa ebrena no ana aso no eno nti nipa da sane bia no e wo se utumi eda ho so Israel kuti isi e pa me kwa so da
edu humeda onyakopo se yemfa home se hen yenkwa so da bia o ye researchers from Jerusalem edu humeda onyakopo se yemfa nya adwuma take rest because ko so yakopo asamo a in school akope eno na so bi akotenam na yakopo asmo afro mo so dem hono mo ma kire wo de yakopo pesa wo ye ne sisa wo ye Sunday there at the first day of the week oko Israel Sunday Yom Rishon and daddy kind so is Hebrew for can know Yom Rishon I say Sunday Sunday SUN Ariada Hebrew for say Yom Rishon they say eda edikan a working day gidi pa obi ko pesika mo edu Friday nyumira ni ye blow chauffeur ni nantwa ben na ayese no na say memenda no ebeba ntino bia na nsisi no edu homeda no work in the holy land
medasi ava tize man kwa so memenda ram kwa kwasi ada menya heaven akọ
cha wani da so ene wa hu de o ya edu beko na so ka se o beko hon ma say why you prepared to take the responsibilities of and the consequences of your own action
asofo no mo a mo se mo de mo ya asofo akese no se de na efrem no sori bi mo a mo asofo okay mame boboji me true challenge to me body
true
asofo dum bi te say mensa utabe asofo dum bi te say Archbishop Duncan Williams asofo dum te say Dark Hayward Mills asofo binum te say Francisco Aten asofo binum asofo no krabe film din sisi ayo mo do so pa mo amonim ho munyina asamo ampanfo ikan metro challenge amamo momra na moyi mo no o platform yi so yesi kwasi ada som no e Roma fo nhye enti se mo se mo Bible scholars mo teachings ma prophecies ene ne keka ho dia momra na mo prove maye dinti a e wo se ye kwa asori kwasi ada a ye de no ana nyame pe na emum no nye Roma fo nhye ni di so ana challenge no musuru
oh yo
musuru Israel for
kan kwa nke na nkonkomo ha
Oti
epene kro
asofu pani mensa utabel Archbishop Duncan Williams Dark Hayward Mills Lawrence Tete prophet din kwabre film twema apia body of Christ the sofo afia sofo akese a mwakanye ne nyina momra Reverend Usubempa Matu Ashimolowu temenka Nigeria bra Pastor Chris munyina momra TB Joshua Prophet 1 Ebenezer obi ni munyina momra se kwasiada som no ena ye wose asoma momra na makire ye omo do maka motumira kiresie se enye ene ye to aso mark of the beast part 2 preparation towards that eno ne behwenima e prapra kwamu se de Jesus Christ ba John the Baptist ko biesi kwamu ma no eno ene ba behwe mesama makwa ba biem ejanya me yes sensi mbim kuma na nsim ni fana me fa okay sibim ko mesre ansa na mekofa so krania ba ne ndane ho tewa pemra ye ba ye de akam ni na atram so yetwa ho abatia ape
Adofie ma munyina ataba eba Axe Media ebutai nyina ne se eye radio presenting and apesa wo ye eye television presenting and apesa wo ye so pesa wo ye star pesa wo ye actor and after actress ni nyina bra ni ewie na wo pe sɛ wobɛgyina ɛyɛ afidie a ɛtwa mi ɔpanin bi na gyina akyire ɛna yɛkyinkyini yɛwie so adwuma yi obi na ɛyɛdete yɛfrɛ no editor ɔno nso so wopɛ sɛ woyɛ bi a ɛyɛbosome mmiɛnsa yɛbɛkyerɛw ama wo nso so anya wo nsa no adwuma ɛmfa ho sɛ wayɛ wo masters ɛmfa ho sɛ wayɛ wo phd ɛmfa ho sɛ wayɛ wo first degree ɛmfa ho sɛ wɔkɔ wo suapɔn ɛmfa ho sɛ mpo wonkɔ baabiara na wɔpɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ deɛ a kɔ accredited school ni wie na bra Axe Media wobɛboa ma practicals na wode kɛka ho a the certificate won sampa edu.
I'll teach you more about structure in the London Academy of Media and Film TV courses that we do, and how you can put together your own ideas and make them from a kind of ethereal mess in your mind to something that's focused and can actually be produced for broadcast.
Yeah, wa hodu share so what's the facility available ma wa wo fira chiri ene benche eba Axe Media pizza keke ye de bema.
Right, yakwa akoje kato kakra hede aba yetwa ho ekobusi kwesiri ne meko sabre de yesa ko ofa hobi ofa na otwetwa mu chichiri mam emi ehu ye ba bia sa ntokase nyina hyase afiri aba sonsone wo papa ene bonemu ye otanye da ho dia prapra beka ba bia mo bi drum ehu se Kristo somo no anase homeda no nye kwasi ada ne mo memenda na ne abota nyina nse yehwe the mark of the beast na ko fa sanche chire mu nyina baaye nti enne ye behwe nyema a gu akwan mu a esiesi kwan e ama the mark of the beast
yo ahwefo nyina ye chiamo na ene no ye be fa free say one ye hwe the socio-political, economic, ecclesiastical and bibia system na ekoso ewiase na ene ewiase nyina yetu edi western institution echi
okay
enti eno no na aba behwe ahyesode a ebitua kan say the mark of the beast if you say western institution no promote the revelation image edi nipa na ebesiwo no atu nyankopon agbe emfa bibi to democracy
me ba wo bato aso na yehwe ade sa revelation na nkasa na da ho na enka ye nyame na nhyehyɛ ye ni niema bɛkɔ ana bonsam ɛfa ana sɛ nyame ne hyehyɛ na ɔde hyehyɛ de to hɔ sɛ enipa na ba bɛfa no saa kwan so
o ahyehyɛ to sɛ sɛ be nkomhye ne daachen asɛm na aka sɛ mire bi bɛba enipa tumi no ɔbɛpagya ne mu aka sɛ ɔne nyankopɔn de besi asi ade yɛkɔ Isaiah yɛka sɛ Revelation 12:9 there was war in heaven and Satan was cast down on earth. Yes, I can. And our bar, say, I and Sassafo Muni, say anything. And you know, to me, no dear, or pray, Ediaco. And then, no, you're institutionalizing to hear the socio-economic, political, and ecclesiastical system. No, I will be assisted. No, your model in such a way, say, a promote and Yama, a bit young coupon. Now, me declare democracy. I can't want some more hard mother. Ewe democracy eti nyankopon pa nyankopon achi wade na democracy promote e bia ne se last week e ba ya ye behun se kwasi adasom ene hu nsunsuanso ne niema nyina enso ini ba bia ifiri a eba economic system capitalism ene hu ahwan survival of the fittest entini bibia ne ho a pagya enipa so hu se enini ya model ni nyina na me come asem so no we have near friend George Orwell or throw book be near friend 1984 book no title no I don't know what you say 1984 na ewiase abedani police state na enipa no a oyo opani wo ho no your friend Big Brother and say mo hear Big Brother Africa ni sa na manema no a ye hwe sa program na ye hu say obi ani bi hwe wo mo efie ho no a mo nyina no e dey prepare wadwene you prepare say bibi say bebe wiase enti wo hwe program you say bia wo hwe because obi kwa akokisi obi anaso obi kwa akoye obi wo mu a they say onim so obi hwe no wo dey prepare wadwin say bibeba na book no mu no ekoba say Big Brother obi adwin bia wo dwin bia no onim dey wo dwin ti wo ye nipa na aka say wo dey wo mpene onwini say ni obi adwin no a wo ha ne aba abefo afrifi na nipa no na wo the main character in the book ne friend Winston Smith ono yes we benya an independent mind onye bibia oha na Big Brother no bechi no ko ene ko torture no ye na yakaya de pa ma ohun se afi de na dwen no or the aba big brother enti no ene meme no so no saa na beba say if you say obeka nye wompene enti no ebe wi ase no na ya ba be ready ha dey better when the 21st century torture saa na ebe frɛ no the see 19th century na the 17th century no ene dey abesin ko 21st no ene mechanism we work betimi an wo panie bi na wadwen no afia bi kwan a e ka se da bo so wo da sorry na wo sorry enti odi buku yi e ba ya e dey be cheche the new one ye ba be we last week no me can say Brzezinski also move on closer to society say the George well drew here no afia the meso me dey aba enti ene no technotronic say big brother the time no dey no nya ya otimi di survey ohun ya ene dey the ICT ene ho computers ni niema bebre aba enti no ekoba se ene no anamontu a ewiase nyina etu e di akọ nanim no eye ICT ya ofa baabia ICT ofa baabia because eno ne efune a abasese a sabi ye nyina yedi enti no bia pese onya knowledge in ICT but anamontu a yetu no yenim se obi ene di kankan se epo ayaboni enti ne bae no o man bia ni ho a onfa nya ni policy ene ofa baabia ICT binuma ye nya ho nimdie enema wo mo di eye no na ewu amunso no ade ba ko a sese no edi ehwamo ne se ye wura tibia bi mu a ene no privacy ni hobby
the death of
privacy ni wiase bi ene obia bibia no secret obi bia wo ye bia no eni wo ba bia ehwe so ko ayi uko gbo eda ho omo nko banking ho nko jiske ogina da echi tem bi ope bia kekere o bo na ni bi ehwe wo ezu hu obia ebi se ni hwe wo a untimi hu se mikoyi sika 100 free my account obekọ na nkonta na ebu awie nti obekọ esi ube yi sika we da we efu nkwa na ogina ho no ukofa de beya ene uko offices mu a oboze wo CCTV cameras wo honum
ebi na ena no isi wo
sa
a branch abesua de no what me wura account of de okobokro no ko terms ka tuturi di camera nti ya
electronic eye ene ho enti ni wiase na ewo mu sese no baby ayadunu no enti wenu nyina na de prapra kwam na de ama opebu na nkasa no oba be wu ewiase ni nyina no say ya platform ni nyina radio enti wo mo so wo no nya adwen no ekwan ya say otumi di wo mo faso ni na ya de wo be faso enti no na edi kan no 1991 say mekai bibi ya graphic and buy na kan say
3rd May 1991 graphic multi-purpose national identification number for each Ghanaian
kan kakre
okay you can kind at the mamo
by the graphic what can
3rd May 1991 daily graphic and the buy headline multi-purpose national identification number for each Ghanaian. Okay. I said the government has initiated a program aimed at providing every Ghanaian citizen with a unique multi-purpose national identification number to facilitate official documentation process and also eliminate impersonation. The program is to ensure a more reliable identification system in the country under which a citizen will use only one number throughout his or her life instead of the current system in which citizens are given different numbers for different purposes.
Oh, it is way back in 1991. And initiative, no, you take it, say, a bemo bia number. Nanya yankwa, inti Guardian 202, and almost DB
United.
Almost be can be. Now the almost can ya. What everyone Bason saying. We Thursday, July 4, 202. Say
privacy fear over ID plans. Plans for a national population register for everybody lawfully resident in Britain as part of a universal identity card scheme were unveiled. The data paper that is yesterday. The high quality common population register, which could cost up to £3 billion to set up and run, will hold core data including the employment status of every UK resident who will be assigned a unique personal number that could be used across the public sector.
so the no more ena Ghana aban so obai onso kan say yenso ye ba be man numbers bi ene ne ke kan ho ena nyame ncha de code 206 no national identification bill ye pass ya ene no ye kan say
like say ni nyina no eye kwan ya prepare
universal you can say as part of universal identity card scheme
were unveiled
cha written for na enso ye pass ye national identification authority bill. I can say mandatory for every Ghanaian to register because Sabrina Professor Dumo on now executive director and Obe can say law no force will be say Obe register no dey ombe person ke be ya wa obeba wa kwa register let us say e dey amount enti anamontu a yetu a yedi niam atu akwa mu no enie saa so na ahwe the banking system a omo yedi new product bi aba ena sika card ena we card anamontu ni nyina because so kan babu no bi mo say he shall cause or one to have a mark and unya bia wonton let us say the new buy and sell era no a eba no akwa ye bibi ti say we are going to go cashless. Nti ye be call cashless there let us say Brzezinski Technotronic era no a okan society no okan no let us say na bibia ye bia no is going to be controlled by ICT which is the new name e dia ba enti no so hwa apropro kwemu no se ne ya apropro no enu ni ene e dia ba be si ho se ene no ba bia ye dru ni obi tintia obeka say oh when you say we the modern era and I say the you do a futuristic you
do abefo
enema and I'm saying nim the entire atrinity no obi ati no ho agim ampa I mean what you honor so CCTV camera wo fi na betun atira kronfo amawa ade na enya ode say na oda awada
say na na dey so be pay
sa oda awada positive things wo by the end of the day no the say adwene ho na ati ase ne say e pobi ene aboa
say chechewe na nkasa na fibrase dwuma de ase na kira me ehunu say broni ade bia na ode ba
sa
sa kwa nti ofa enfo ne dodo de abi de free broni o isum cha echi okay ofa Israel ofa pokoda kwatro so da for islam na
nti no na chese say no ya na montu a ye wo mu a ye kan ye church no the mark of the beast no pertaining to buy and sell no de ye wurem nti no ubeko Israel hona me so masoto niema
of Israel
no
baba inform no bibio mfo nyina bi new currency soon hona ni here so pa di watwa no nanom anse do
betu obi aba
osena UN secretary general Ban Ki-moon champion bibi ni broni Barack Hussein Obama okay yentwa so
e say we ye dey
10 Ghana cedis
iska
good iska
asamu ye ka no
fashion bible nim na iska asefini
opere ye asamu ye ka no o bo Ghana for pa o program ya no mo boss na ko nshira mo me ba se otutumfo ama ma award kura mo ya de mo ba yen chere no mo ko pa
krakra
enya samu ye ka na so dem me saka na biem nti bo no ma Kristo ni Islam otia na ye ne wan ye nso funa ka chere no ene de ye ka no ise nyansani otumi abalance no good ade bia bronya ye bia o de bebia no ana adwene pobi etachire yeah disi ana ye se obi bia o use phone on try so use Android phone smartphones news aba no
and applications ahodo also
good obi bia en use na meka wasam disi ana de we na kire ye
sika
good
Ghana cedis
first no na ye wo Dutch marks Italy for mo de we wo mo de e se ba benya European Union ti Europe fu nya ba benya sika ba ko euro a wo mo di America fu nya ba benya mo sika ba ko e fa no dollars a benya mo de Africa hwe broni ye bibia o baka say ye NBA na eba e ye modern want to mean yakopon ma onyansa to ma honhom konkro fu to mean sua de yi ya papa wo to afidie ni mu yeah you say new currency soon me boa
no
mon capture New yo.
New currency soon. Sasa se mi so ba ya 20 soon so medu yi.
Ba. Enche
soon. Soon e medu yi. Afadam ba kire mu.
Now soon.
Soon.
Achi.
Soon. Ya hwa wi.
Na wo se ache atemu da ba. Se kan ache.
And the ose brand da do bi anim.
Enu nti no ade bi omo ye bia no eye process. Some of we kan no ye bojam. Ye say confusion obi ase. Ye wo dollar, ye wo cedi, ye wo say. Nti no isi akwampo de you ase kwa ye hu de enye. Asema America for kan no. Enu nti no United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. You didn't quite the bank. Ban Ki-moon. Say na you ase nyina no say nya one currency. Afena Andrew Kase neighbor no. Na fini Emily place dollar. Ne hu say officially the whole world nyina no they were one money. I was see di. Omo wie. How much
China calls for new currency to replace dollar.
Almost over. China for I say we are some of say 2 million kuto nsem no. Omo say asama you and for kan ye Africa for Sabina Gaddafi no representing Africa. Omo kan nyina no e very say e possible. I was say nya one money. Na be share e wiase nyina sika nyina na emu. And a book we say so no the economist. Get ready for the world currency. Asama say about
1988.
Pachire.
Okay.
1988.
1988 from here. Menyi ni say Abrante Ekuro Jakrama here.
Sabina Ban Ki-moon wo hefa.
Ban Ki-moon.
Sabina Barack Obama no wo hefa.
No no so nyama.
Enti a process.
Okay.
And my study at ho no. Ade a aye say Africa ha say. E mo bo papa. Ye bibia no a policy a boni aye. All the abrayen. Ni yaje, ni de ko, ni yaje, ni de ko. ICT a openika wasemi. The school here time na e bi na ho no mo. If you be who say bibia be fancy computer and the technology. And e kura mu. Wan sua bia e mo wa. Nti obi a pese otumu hu ICT. Na waka masa sana bibia etechira abrofo no e de boa enipa nyina no ama de bise no. 2 Mr. Mechanics kasam. Yet Ghana has say, and I say West Africa, or say to discover. And I want to answer. Good. Say European Union, to make creative euro. American continent, no, to make creative dollar. Na feel say a feed ni na yen tungu, na fi yemma e wiase nyina no eni discover ko a. Hwa say so e.
ECOWAS to have common currency.
What? Omo kasem wo say 2000 years ago. 2000
Economic Community of West African States.
O say this kabako. Hwa say so e.
Common currency for East Africa.
If almost say eba.
The West for nyomo de.
That is it.
East enya.
That is it.
Okay.
South for so dey ho. Na ebobo ba. Afi dey ebedu ba bi no, e say no kwampo de hu hia. Ye ba benya sika ba ko a ewiase nyina no ye bedi. Aha say e na mabe gina film metu mabie enema bi mu a kira manfo.
Okay.
Na o ma hu ne say nsema ye kan nyina no enye say ye bu ye tirim ne de kasa. The evidence e de kire. Okay. Na here West Africa for say yin sika na fi edi na ehun tumi to yen East Africa for say nyomo de e fi na abrofo say sila na hoto tumi ma one currency aye binya no na obetuma de abo yen yie one Bible say obi ntumi nton Revelation 13:18 hono mo no aje say be wo abo no de agina one you say yenemu street naming abawe bae no emlo de bae no na fi hu bia obi atie omo develop estate ne de omo nka ho sense omo de ngasa no de omo ye no
eno asho omo
e shepu dada wo here wo rural areas no e bia asankragua ene kodu okurom manka sim ho no good san kofo no omo te say manfra entino bolu discover ese no yemfa ema aban no na aban no mfa nemu street di entina aban yesa name street
o say bi opese yenya easy access to amanfofi and say easy identification say we so call bit say Nigeria say ya say bi am call number 1 Oluyi Crescent then they say unya du ala kokwa na je say motor transfer na eko no bi na bi opese ntia o me no me street na
agenda attached no be say to identify baby obi a wo
okay
yeah
we wa ye hu
to this ya be show
ya chi wo
na say
ensem na ti ya ka no so ya nemu baby a wo ti
but ya prepare ya gonna say yes say me wo Yakopon din mu since me nyini ma yakokora na fi no Yakopon ase meto atwene
okay
na me wo o dey abofo dey say all die be die
go bia you
ono no ho ntimu nya no
enti no se me wo Yakopon din mu a eye opede nhade e ade tell say obi a enyusu phone eye Android phone
okay
now see it say aban say last month say aban airport say the parliament Ghana government this administration of this government say or the parliament akosere say MPs no nyintum na fi no yen tapo obi bi otiga na ha bia no say wo ye call a hello dami ati say yo na obi tenchen na wa ne ba ko na asem wo kan no na otie enu ni
se bi ashes fontia se do bi ashes fo na ba yi hu
na azu fo no mo asem
Chronicle na the buyer 12 November 12 2015 your phone may be tapped and then yes sir
no
yeah
MP wants of end okay
we ba that
wants of end to privacy say kind of okay
sa
enti na say baby I wish obi na mu bia no
say
nya no madam
oh I'm fan chair monje Dr. Maneboama ana down no Chronicle we November 12 2015 yeah ana ebaye ana ya cho no ho no your phone may be tapped MP wants of end to privacy ano ana wo hu
sa
hwe abofo no agenda etachire na Africa for ye mobo say ye pin for ye say omu leading yen no mo fa ye nko ba bia kwa ye ebeboa ebibiman no omo nya ne sa wo broni di bibi ba no diska e de animu money inducement no magic na nse bia bakwa po de ehu keke you see abwe say email I will say it me tap email anyway
new law makes it legal for the government to read your email in fairness on today no new law makes it legal for the government to read your email London and okay
enu ti no say wona wo ye call a wo so de wo ye call o almost new equipped with three-way calling you whoever you are dialing and the government into aban no abe center e dey ama the western powers into broni agenda no na government no pursue
wo ba ye for me ya no ma bi be ka se bi amanyosem ana ye say e bia enye ye tie you nemu nsem wi headlines wi mu e amanyosem say be ya bia ne die ne si fo akofa ba say be MPP fo kra ye communication no mo kasa on beti interview
oh dabi na say
tie wutwi ni yo o say amanyo
sam
ye oman na e de nka hu bia na
ye ka hu bi
ene me nkasa bi say ye man bia na say a contribution etumi boa dia enye bone e say dia ba ene ye ka ho asem no mo ehun sunsaso no ene magana fo nyina ahun say esi we yaba ne modern we yaba modern ni na fi bronu krom na eba o abofo se samla no ne esi ekura mu enu nti no phone na okuta na wo use no sa phone okuta no wo die okuta no o so obi use sa phone we say
international one pa
match here but e no nsamo ko na o ma sidan bi e wo Luxembourg
okay
ye frɛ Edano the beast tinie pa ye frɛ Edano the beast call bi a wo ye bia no e ho ne ko
okay
enoni freedom and movement the kasa with evidence and
information ni a kire osie
good enti no opera Roma over 40 years research no and then a benefit Ghana for ade we say ka kire wo no how many years ni
be 14 years ni
they say enne o ma ne boama honorable omane boama ama abeka sem we say
before so we need 202 so can say amano say
somebody may be listening to your phone calls.
That's right.
Danger.
And you're saying 202.
I need 202.
That's right.
Yes. 13 years in here.
That's right.
The insights and the buy 5th to 9th July. Carted by an FKO Sue Japan.
And so first Japan picture.
Communications
And yeah, the man your research. And yeah,
Joe. And if you need.
and now back to 2015 and now this government aba confirm nti we different government we say different government almost pursue one agenda nti wo a we grassroots ahweme we Christiani we Kremoni we Ghana ni ahweme no asa whatever you are ahwe disi ya no e prefer chere we say the way ye no we ba no oba beto aso nti no omo master western powers omo no hidden agenda against the citizens of this nation, I mean the world. So we pursue the Antichrist or the mark of the beast. You don't know, as I say, 15 years about this year, so no, we have a lecture.
Now, okay, this year, last month, you came here. 12 November, 1 month, crying your mind.
So no, Oma can't to hold no say, over your call
14 years in it.
I buy no ever tap or call no, how we in no, the home formation ever call. The baby information in corner, na better one. Your friend Krobi Luxembourg, I'm Europe. No, what's the Derby? Then I must know.
Friend the beast.
Call be a way be all over the world. I want to call.
And I need the beast.
The beast, I don't
very good.
Wait. Yeah, Danny. What's working kind?
The European Economic Community's 3-story computer complex in Luxembourg, the largest in the world.
Yeah.
It is called the Beast.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know the Beast. And this 80 do me and son. What's an abuano?
Revelation 13.
Verse 18.
13, 18. Revelation 13, 18. What share conclude me kind of custom. I say this calls for wisdom. If anyone has insight, let him calculate the number of the beast. For it is man's number. His number is 666.
And until I saw for any program. No, yes, I say, ye bois, nothing in the panel when you saw them honomono. One day I am. Yeah, how no,
and just for one be some of the sacrifice coming down.
You know, so
okay.
No, what we are, I saw about them honomono. So, Pinnacle Point and Coin up dear to Hofu. His son said, we are attacking the message, but not the messenger.
Me picture so for binuma. Omo he djuma die bi na komotin cheche ase a asofo na fe bedu kasiada. So frank aso ase ha ye konenra no mbese sam moda no. No so mu tumrika ti se yesuba.
Na enchebe kakra, tell me say the end of money. Ebeba, beboa. Sikawie ye ebeba. Eya American News Week o. And the cancer was 1995.
Yeah. November 6.
Good. Okay, I have here Ghana paper.
October 1995.
Good.
2nd October. Business line. Okay.
Also,
I see no more cash for payment.
What we more bank?
No more cash for payments.
What we more bank? No pay no for you. No, don't carry cash. Until no say what a bank. That's a way you do man. And check. The bill for off. Sika. See the ability way. People ye nibium. The airban are very dangerous. You see an Obama, you see an shopping mall, not for come once a month. Suit now and then a free Europe airban. They say more suit to airban or much cheaper suit to know.
Okay.
Or more cheap, I'm a suit to know. Into a shower no, not a home formation, aircraft Luxembourg.
Wow. The future of shopping. Tiny silicon identity chips being put in everyday objects and even implanted under the skin are changing the way we consume. Will they also invade our privacy?
Buddy, it's the dear Quinano, a agenda, a end time. Now, the be a message we say no documents wunya na wakana so dem ho no this be o mu invite here.
Nti nsɔre no montom nsam frɛ yɛn na yɛmmra sanko a
Na fi ya ma
o de ba mo jo friend maye
na ya ma asoroma no ehunu han fafo na mistake o because say asoroma no go dem ho no o mo kwa genti na mo wo na ase but say obi aboa age some information we say 40 years be kwa na usa
over 40 years
you don't have it into the Bible no nko ano and fulfill it. Bible goes with the current events. The Tumaya Bible no can say no a key. A beer with the news informations. Say your media or more as ba no carry no good. And until no about can on our car shopping. I could dra banching. About cotton shopping mall. Into yes seen na mo say then any be able come say asuka baya so na ba so no o ma ba start takwade gidigidi all the nation amanfo ntiase o mu nim say you prepare nipa e do makọ hodo mo wo ye bojo store ebegu unhia kontomra kọ ho ye ba magu nchansim nkontomre in nchansim kona kwato enti mo mu nyina ya de bia eba na masamba be too much for ho makabia ka ho America for say nipa o security ehia enipa o health ehia enunti no e wo say you to protect the citizens of the United States of America na area e dey back all over the world good and American for say o ma chip bi for Obama care chip and I say medical chip na it say emo aba 1 grain of rice na no na bibia wom na sa chip no e wo codes number because of a machine they what serial number good na chip no ni codes number na ye no e 666
good
okay and then me the video which real Britain big companies from UK no before I buy worker na bo call no ho no this say the chip no bi e shem nsa na what the chip no aye do the say na do to me bi
and equipment o news war offices so ni nyina no the chip ni bi
opening
ko photocopy cry you say the chip na
yeah okay asamoa I don't know asamoa ayifo ka ti asamoa American Virginia one state of American or say news
NBC News all Americans will receive a microchip implant in 2017
good
next 2 years
good
in fact the next year
good high
I say some worry however that the RFID microchip will give the government too much power allowing them to track every move in some states like Virginia legislation is in process to stop this from happening. The report also reviews an RFID brain chip that has been developed and is currently being tested on several humans.
Good.
With the RFID microchip, they can track the movement of the people that are implanted. They can also control the money and food of the people. It is also reported to be possible to even cure the people that don't obey. Obey. Ava, you go so. Me pese ye reality assembly to the eken. Ye culture kronkronim. Minim se obeka bibia fa we wan san na obisa ba question na. Me ka se you Sunday school no. Daniel enwoma ya culture kronkronim. Eni so ade hunu se da ya oso ya no honi bi igina ho ya hye no. Omo ehun se ewiase no ebode ni student hye ene ya hye ne sa no. Eno minim arama wotu afa no ho na twaka ene sa mark of the beast ewo no ene say
de o mu ni se mi yu anu ansa ma ba ha no
okay
ohoni no a Nebuchadnezzar hu ye no a Daniel achirichiri mu o ma eti ase se world empires enan bi ene beba
okay
na de odika no golden head no representing Nebuchadnezzar okay a no ani Babylonian empire after no Medo-Persia beba after no Alexander's Greek empire
okay
and sana Roman empire na Roman empire no mu no and a final form ebeba a feet of clay and iron. Babylonian Empire, by Golden Head, they were defeated by the Medes and the Persians. After Roman Alexander, and so be defeated the Medes and the Persians, and a Roman Empire, and so Babel conquer Alexander. Roman Empire collapsed in 476 AD. Obi and who conquer Rome. It collapsed. Sabrina Church no, it was the church that revived the empire.
Oh, okay.
And the buyer, and then you bring the feet of the image. Ejinaho, Emma, European Union, the tools, no, everything, Emma. Now, Sabrina they can't say, Sabrina no, you know, about say European Economic Community. Sabrina Yankupon so ahindie no so ebeba e ka say stone not cast by hand na no na ebeba be strike ya ebe crash ama emframa ahu pieces ni nyina ka ho
nti esoro na ba de sisi ni nyina bubu
ni nyina aba akai na
se nchebo no na se bo no kan Sunday school so mo che se eno ne ekuro bi adanka ni nom so China na isi omudi wi ase so te ne ba be po amaya ke si ni
opa kai Daniel 2:44 na amanfo nso
Daniel
2:44
chapter 2
verse 44
verse number 44 sa Daniel so me amidin
I brought Daniel
e say adaka menka because me ka na e ma ko to jetabo
sa also
kai jeta no ba so so mi mu kra Daniel chapter 2 chapter 1
chapter 2:44
Daniel chapter 2
verse 44
verse number 44 okay monya so na muntia ken kansem Daniel 2:44 na shasoro ya okay I say in the time of those kings the God of heaven will set up a kingdom that will never be destroyed, nor will it be left to another people. It will crush all those kingdoms and bring them to an end, but it will itself endure forever. Okay, 45. This is the meaning of the vision of the rock cut out of a mountain, but not by human hands. A rock that broke the iron, the bronze, the clay, the silver, and the gold to pieces. And this
China
Jesus Christ never
okay. Particular segment here, the last week and the week before, I mean, who's a struggle between what is right and what is wrong, and the form with the basis of it. And you know, say final showdown, a beba sadia. Let us say, Bibi, Yankopon, and I feed it. Or they know Baba Shim, nothing. The Pamro Chado, Mama Pajam Hosu, a claim now every home.
Yes, say any balance.
Well, we are saying no. You can say we are saying at the end of one civilization and the beginning of another. In between, you know, there may be some clashes and destructions here and there, but need far by now. Because say any European civilization and I say Euro-American civilization, it will now give way for Nyankopon civilization, headed by black people. And let me stress.
And on you can't Obama money.
Oh, we can't black people. I don't know any black. Now who knew? So
one black as is your.
Oh, that's why young can be powers. So no, so or working or a black man working managing white affairs.
Okay.
All baffle if we are see food now, hey, black man, and there be before and then buy. He is managing the affairs of a white people.
The white boys.
White boys. I don't manage all my affairs in the White House. And then advantage when we say yeah, not to be after all before from so beba. Into a dear bend. Now there Israel can yet was out there or can telephone here, you know. What TV cry well. Samsung flat TV, and Omar the camera one is
your TV may be watching you.
Samsung TV flat screen. Yeah.
The by digital
ones. Can say men do private conversation whilst you are watching, sitting in front of the TV. Because information now.
Say a what on no say awful.
Oh no. What's so now? Wouldn't you for what you are more can have you become private talk. Yes, men can because what's any more no information be our own so can with you now. TV no so carry no away.
I record the Beast House one.
Now before then, I know what can say. TV sets be our money. Only admit we buy mail on Sunday, we're 1991.
Okay.
Introducing a new concept in television. They watch you.